But why is the Prime Minister so popular? The Prime Minister held that 5-kilometer-long roadshow amidst blowing of conches, sounds of drum beats and chanting of mantras. An ode to Kashi was also witnessed. There was Shehnai rendition by the kin of Ustad Bismillah Khan. Shankhnad and Damru Dal were heard at various points. Old and new pictures of Varanasi's developments also adorned the sides. Pictures of Kashi celebrities were plastered across the city. Ode to Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Pandit Kishan Maharaj, tribute to Tulsidas Ji, Kabir Das and Sant Ravidas. All of this adorned that entire route, nearly 6-kilometer long. Prime Minister Modi's connect with Kashi has also become iconic by now. He's left an indelible mark on the oldest city in the world, with especially the unimaginable work around the Kashi Vishwanath Dham and that corridor. Let's take a look at some of the biggest projects in his constituency over the last 10 years, 2 years of his two terms of PM Modi as MP from Varanasi. First, of course, is the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. It may just be worth 800 crore, but the impact that it's had on Kashi and its denizens is one that will be seen over centuries going forward. PM has also laid the foundation stone of projects worth more than 12,000 crore rupees. LPG bottling plant by HPCL in Sevapuri, Sant Ravidas Museum worth about 62 crore rupees, the Sigra Sports Stadium Phase 1 and District Rifle Shooting Range has also come up, construction of the Varanasi Ranchi Kolkata Expressway Package 1, the electric catamaran vessel provided by IWAI, the rejuvenation of ponds and redevelopment of parks. Of course, the mood on ground is that a hat-trick is pakka for the PM, but it could be perhaps a historic margin, greater than what's been witnessed in the last two elections. 2019, he won by more than 6,74,000 votes, ladies and gentlemen. This time they say the gap could be more than 8 lakh. In 2014, he won this with a 56% vote share. Other contenders left far behind, with the Aam Aadmi Party trumping the Congress, which was reduced to a single digit. Interestingly, till then, the BJP had been winning with vote share of about 30 to 33%, but 56%. PM, massive jump, 25% in the BJP's vote share. 5 years later, that vote share increased even more, by 7% more. 2019, it touched 63%. This time the AAP was not in the fray, but Samajwadi Party was. AAP's vote share went to Samajwadi Party and Congress, and both of whom witnessed an increase but were distant second and third. So clearly the Prime Minister has won the hearts of the people of Kashi, who come out and say, 2/3 se bhi zyada se jeetenge, 5 lakh aaj aaye hain, 5 lakh kal aayenge. That's what the ground voices were telling us when we spoke with them earlier this evening. So PM is out there, but is this a larger message too? Those 400 par doubters, are they seeing these?
जय श्री राम।
हमारे पास विश्व का सर्वाधिक सर्वशक्तिशाली नेता है और हम लोग अति प्रसन्न है, काशीवासी अत्यधिक प्रसन्न है।
बनारस पे समझ लीजिए, बनारस की पब्लिक मोदी जी की पूरी तरह से फैन है, बहुत अच्छी तरह से।
हिंदुओं को इतना गर्व से भरने का काम मोदी ने किया है। हम चाहते हैं कि जब तक वो रहे, बार बार हमारे प्रधानमंत्री बने।
I just feel that under Modi ji's leadership, India has become a powerhouse and we've got a good global recognition.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी हैट्रिक करेगी और करेगी। ये मोदी कहता है इसलिए करेगी ऐसा नहीं। देश के 140 करोड़ देशवासियों ने तय कर लिया है, इसलिए 400 पार होना है।
So the roadshow is over, ladies and gentlemen. In a short while from now, we should get visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi inside the Kashi Vishwanath Dham, offering the puja to Adi Vishweshwar. What the program is for the morning of Tuesday, let's try and get a sense of it with Siddhant. Siddhant, you've been tracking this roadshow. 5 lakh was the estimated turnout. Is the PM, was he able to keep schedule? And this is after a slew of interviews in Patna to reporters, having engagements through the day, that he touches down in Kashi and does nearly about a 3.5-hour roadshow, and now puja inside Kashi, the Vishwanath temple.
Well, that's right, Anand. Going by PM's schedule, by now PM should be inside the Vishwanath temple for the pujan, as you rightly pointed out. And trust me, Anand, today was complete madness on the road of Varanasi. In fact, we were doing bulletins at that point in time, and you know the craze that I witnessed today cannot be explained in words. More than 5 lakh people, Anand, and could be even more than that. And tomorrow also in the morning, PM is likely to go to Dashwamekh Ghat. He's also going to take a cruise ride in river Ganga. Post that, he is going to seek darshan of the Kotwal of Varanasi,
Kal Bhairav.
and after which he will be going to file the Kal Bhairav. After which he will file the nomination, and most important one, Anand, post that he is going to meet Karyakartas. So a local level Karyakarta told me, Anand, and he told me not to mention it, but I'm mentioning it here. So the capacity of the hall where Prime Minister is taking the meeting is less than 50,000, and the Karyakartas, those who are excited to meet Prime Minister, is more than 50,000. Now it's up to BJP district unit that how they are going to handle tomorrow's meet and greet of Karyakartas with Prime Minister. But what I am told is that it's going to be very challenging when Karyakartas will meet Prime Minister, because the capacity is of 50,000 and the Karyakartas, the list of Karyakartas are more than 50,000. So that is a level of excitement, Anand, and I have never witnessed this grand road show of anyone, not even Prime Minister Modi ever before, what I witnessed today in Varanasi. Clearly, this time's margin is going to be more than 8 lakh, Anand.
More
And
than
this is
8
what,
lakhs in Kashi itself.
the
But
analyst-
around what time, quickly just Siddhant,
Yes.
what time is the Prime Minister going to start on Tuesday morning?
Well, we can expect him to start by 9 in the morning, Anand. This is what we have been told, and there are a lot of things lined up for him. Pujan at Dashwamekh Ghat, then a cruise ride which Prime Minister will take, then a darshan at Kal Bhairav, the Kotwal of Varanasi. उनकी इच्छा के बिना कुछ भी काशी में नहीं होता है. वहाँ आना है तो सर झुकाना है, and Prime Minister knows that very well. Post that nomination, और उसके बाद कार्यकर्ताओं से